Okay, shake. Okay, nandito na naman si Sir Javi. Magbibigay tayo ng bagong kaalaman. Okay, but before that, shout out muna natin yung mga students natin dyan na patuloy na nanonood kang Sir Javi sa mga math tutorials ni Sir Javi. Okay, do not forget guys, wag niyong sukuan yung mga pangarap. Okay, but before that, shake muna tayo. Shake. Now, ang mangyayari ngayon Sir Javi, ituturo ko sa inyo kung how to solve implicit differentiation. Actually, we have another explicit differentiation. Mayroon tayong explicit differentiation. Okay? Ang example ng explicit guys, for example, we have y is equal to x squared. Kapag kukunin natin yung derivative nito, that is simply dy over dx 2x. Tama? That is explicit. Yung meron lang isang terms na ating i-derive. Okay? That is explicit. But dito, ituturo natin yung implicit differentiation. Okay? Simulan na natin, Sir Javi. For example, this one, meron tayong equation na x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Diba? Kapag i-derive natin ito with respect to x, if we derive y with respect to x, ang mangyayari kasi kapag i-transform natin ito, mangyayari 16 minus x squared. Ito, square root natin, y is equal to 16 minus x squared. Diba? Complicated. Diba? Complicated na. Kaya gagamitin natin implicit differentiation. Okay, ang mangyayari dito sa Javi, we will derive both sides with respect to x. Okay? So dito, ang mangyayari dy over dx x squared plus y squared is equal to dy over dx 16. I hope na-follow. Okay, ang mangyayari dito sa Javi, we will derive x squared, that is basic derivative, right? Power rule, and x and minus 1. Mag-minus ka lang sa sa exponent ng 1. Okay, mangyayari 2x, 2 minus 1, that is 1. So, that is 2x. Ito, be careful kapag y yung dinerive natin, di ba 2y yan, pero lagyan natin yan ng dy over dx kasi we derive y with respect to x. So dito sa right side, ang mayayari dito, that is constant, right? 16. So that is 0. Oh, that is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. So dito sa Javi, i-move natin yung 2x saka sa right side. So ang natira 2y dy over dx is equal to negative 2x. Dapat, ang matira lang dito is dy over dx. So, therefore, mag-divide tayo ng 2y both sides. Okay? So, dito, i-divide lang natin both sides by 2y. So, mangyari, dy over dx. So, ito, cancel out na itong negative 2 and 2. Ang natira, negative x over y. Ito yung derivative natin, guys, sa x squared plus y squared is equal to 16 using implicit differentiation. Ang sagot natin, dy over dx is equal to negative x over y. Ito guys, sagutan nyo ito guys. Kung anong sagot nito guys, i-comment niyo sa section guys, comment section, kung anong sagot ng 2x squared, 2y squared is equal to 9. Get that first derivative. Okay? See you sa comment section guys. Okay. Hihintayin ko ang inyong mga sagot dyan. Okay? Shake. Sa next video, sasagutan natin yan.